WD BLACK P40 2TB Game Drive SSD. Fast storage that actually keeps up with your library. The Western Digital 2TB P40 Game Drive SSD is a portable external solid-state drive designed specifically for gamers who constantly run out of storage on their consoles and PCs. Picture a sleek, pocket-sized vault holding up to 2 full terabytes of your favorite games, roughly 50 modern AAA titles, all accessible within seconds whenever you need them. It connects via a simple USB-C cable directly to your PlayStation, Xbox, PC, or Mac, and it's fast enough to handle massive 100-gigabyte game files without making you wait endlessly. The drive itself is compact, drop-resistant up to 6.5 feet, and features customizable RGB lighting that syncs beautifully with your existing gaming setup. No complicated installation headaches, no technical expertise required. It's built to solve one universal gamer frustration: having to delete games you genuinely love just to install something new. Imagine never dealing with that storage anxiety again. Here's what this drive actually does for your daily gaming life in concrete terms. First, you get lightning-fast transfer speeds reaching up to 2,000 megabytes per second when connected to the right port, meaning moving a 100-gigabyte game takes about 1 minute instead of an agonizing hour. Second, the massive 2-terabyte capacity lets you store your entire rotating library without constantly juggling what stays installed and what gets deleted. Third, it works seamlessly across PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, Windows PC, and Mac right out of the box, with zero reformatting hassles on most systems. Fourth, the rugged metal build easily survives drops up to 6.5 feet, so tossing it casually in your backpack doesn't require bubble wrap or a nervous prayer. Fifth, the customizable RGB lighting isn't just flashy, it helps you spot the drive quickly in a dark gaming setup and matches your existing gear's aesthetic perfectly. You save serious time, gain complete freedom, and stop worrying about storage limits entirely. Picture this real scenario that happens constantly. A friend of mine was perpetually deleting games on his PlayStation 5 because the internal 667 gigabytes fills up shockingly fast with just 5 or 6 modern titles installed simultaneously. Every new release meant 20 frustrating minutes deciding what to sacrifice, followed by 2 painful hours re-downloading it later. Exhausting cycle. He was skeptical at first about spending money on external storage, genuinely worried it would be slow or complicated. Then he grabbed the WD BLACK P40 during a sale. Within minutes of plugging it in, he transferred his entire backlog of PS4 games onto it, running flawlessly directly from the drive with no performance loss. For his PS5 games, moving them back and forth to the internal SSD became a quick 90-second task instead of a multi-hour re-download nightmare. The exact moment he realized he could keep everything and access it instantly, that's when the value became crystal clear. After testing a few different portable SSD options, one thing became absolutely clear. Don't just pick any external gaming drive. Make sure it has USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 support so you never waste time on painfully slow transfers that turn quick gaming sessions into frustrating waiting marathons. The P40 stands out immediately because even if your device only has a standard USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, you still get around 1,000 megabytes per second, literally double the speed of most budget external drives. Independent tech reviewers have clocked it consistently hitting advertised speeds in real-world tests, not just on paper in ideal lab conditions. One expert noted, "We saw 1,950 megabytes per second reads in Crystal Diskmark. This is genuinely one of the fastest portable SSDs available today." Actual users back this up enthusiastically. One verified customer said, "Transferring a 100-gigabyte game takes under a minute. My old drive took over an hour for the same file." The drive also comes with a generous 5-year warranty, double what many competitors offer, proving Western Digital stands confidently behind the build quality. It's shock-resistant up to 2-meter drops, confirmed by multiple users who've accidentally tested it with 0 data loss. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for speed, 2 for capacity, 3 for reliability. You can keep deleting games and re-downloading them for hours every week, or you can finally carry your entire library wherever you game. Thousands of gamers already use the WD BLACK P40 daily across consoles and PCs without a single storage headache. It only takes a few seconds to see if this fits your exact setup and platform. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Check it out now. You deserve storage that actually keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.